and relationships.
Katong video na mo, pre. Katawanan man, pre. Magduduha sa puso ko. Kasi ayun, yung puso ko. Magduduha, patay ko lagi. Magduduha, patay ko lagi.
Kaya bahala na
video na mo.
Bahala na kata na, pero
Sige, pre. Magduduha, patay ko lagi, pre.
Let's try searching ourselves. Tanaw nato if unsay mogawas. Yourself is your second self.
what the? Ano na ako lagi? Walang pag nagpusan mo. Huh? Probably someone else not you. That's how fast things spread, so okay na. You will delete. Might screenshot ang iban. Ala, what if makita ko sila o gani, online sharing na miss na opportunities, nilood na sila. So, really, people lose scholarship, jobs, and even friends just because of one post. Ang problema, they thought it was harmless.
So, you should never delete one post.
Not never, but know your limits and ask yourself, is this kind? Is this mine to share? Will I be okay if this follows me? So, what you share stays who you are. Social media is powerful, but with a great power comes with a great speech.
Bye, Miko. Sorry juga ba ya? I almost posted the video gid ba yan, but Kara made me realize na daghan gyud consequences ang akong gibuhat.
Salamat, Jake. Honestly, nasakitan ko ato, but she listen.
But from now on ba, ako na lang mag-ask ko first ba if to personal gyud ba, dili na ako ipadayon na akong promise. Sorry juga ba.